I've seen so many negative headlines. AI is destroying the job market is cooked, AI will replace my job. But today, let's be realistic and think about what we can do. I'm going to talk about the three simple actions, the options that you can take in this situation. The first thing is you should be the one who use AI. This is very accessible and applies for everyone, regardless which role you're in. If you're accountant, marketer, writer, designer, project manager, HR professional, it doesn't matter. You can leverage AI to become dramatically more productive, but also be the innovative person. You don't need to understand AI technically. I'm a machine learning engineer, but I don't think the society requires everyone to know about the technology. You just need a basic understanding about how it works. What you need to know is which AI tool solves the which problem that you have, which AI tool is related to the day-to-day task that you do. I've seen many people around me say, oh, AI is getting bigger. Maybe I should try using AI tools. Yeah, I think this is the right time to start doing it. I think you should be interested in what are the things that is directly related to my job and try those things out. If it's not good enough, you can just say, oh, this is not good. I'm doing so much better. You can check on the status of how improve and advance, or if you think this is actually going to take my job. Let's say you're a marketer who needs to create the content every day. What you can do is you can do a brainstorming with ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, different kinds of LLMs. You can list down the ideas. And if you need the image, you can try DALL-E, Midjourney, Nano Banana, different kind of realistic images. If some things are good, you can use it, but if not, you don't need to use it. If you're a software engineer that have been programming only with your hand and documentation over 20 years, try using Cloud Code, try using ChatGPT, try using Gemini, try using GitHub Copilot. All those different kind of options. It is optional, but I believe the attitude of have a willingness to try out the new AI tools and actually experimenting, this attitude will change your future. In 5 years, 10 years, I don't think even 5 years, 2, 3 years, it'll decide on how well you can perform on your job. Okay, here are the steps that you can take. First is observe your day-to-day task. What takes the most time? Which part is taking a repetitive process? What requires a research or analysis? Next, find a tool. Find the AI tool that people use. Try to search up or refer to the AI tool review website. Third, experiment aggressively. Most AI tools surprisingly provide free trials. You can go on a free membership and then experiment half an hour a day testing a new tool. See what sticks to you. So fourth is measure the results. Measure the results of the AI tools that you have experimented. If you have some observations, share with team members, share with your manager what you have found. The other way is be the person who talk about AI. It might sound a little funny, but if you look at your organization or people around you, there'll be a person who always talk about AI and share the recent AI news. This might sound a little strange, but stay with me. This could be the most valuable path for many of you, but also can be quite easy. If you don't have time to use AI, start talking about AI. If you look around your team member, department, people in the organization, you'll find that one person who always talks about AI, who always talks about AI news, who always talks about the new AI tools. And some of you might think, oh, they're just trying to be trendy. In every organization, if they start to ask questions like, how are we going to adopt AI in our organization? Who would they go to? They would go to the one who always talks about AI. Because they talked about AI and it shows the interest of the AI, all the good opportunities that can step up your game will be given to the person who talks about AI. I think there are a few actions that you can take. Go to the LinkedIn if there are AI related posted, repost it and share it to the team. If you want to be more involved, you can be the one who organized the AI workshops, the webinars, maybe make a small event in a team regular meeting and talk about what you have observed. Or you can even take your team members to the AI event that's relevant to your industry. If you proceed on these kind of series of action, you'll be the go-to person about this AI stuff. Let me summarize what you can do. First, share actively. Share every single news that you have watched. Which AI tool is using, the interesting dropping news, how AI is changing your industry. You're building your personal brand as someone who gets it, gets the AI. And second is experiment and report. Try new AI tools, what you learn. It also overlaps with the use AI part, but you can just go through quickly about what are the tips and tricks that other people have written down on their blog or YouTube. Third is propose the AI initiatives. Find the pain points in your organization or your day-to-day routine. and suggest the AI solution. You don't need to implement them by yourself. You'll have an IT team, you'll have a data team, or even lucky, if you have an AI team, you can just be the one who proposes the idea. The next is network with AI spaces. Join the AI communities, attend the conferences, join the AI events. Most of the AI events are free and it's very informative and willing to share what kind of things you can take to the stakeholders. The last option that you have is kind of a limited option for people in a technical background, but you can be a person who builds AI or builds the data that is relevant to AI. You can be a machine learning engineer, you can be data scientist, you can be AI solution architect, data engineer, all kinds of different positions that you can apply for. Try looking out for paths that you can take. This is a difficult path because you need to have academic background and technical knowledge to proceed on this. But if you do, and if you're willing to go through it, you can choose this. I hope this video was helpful and made you think about what kind of actions that I can take in this cooked job market. Please follow me if you want to learn about the basics of AI and understand the AI and the society.